Have you ever watched a financial video and ended up even more confused than when you started? Most online financial content is either buried in incomprehensible jargon or promises the moon and the stars to double your money in the blink of an eye, when it's really just a way to make other people rich at your expense. I'd had enough. So I created something different. My name is Pitt, and this channel is built on one fundamental principle: thorough research and verified financial data, not opinions, trends, or guesswork. Every video is based on rigorous studies, market analysis, and observations genuinely drawn from the real-world behavior of money, not what social media claims. Because when it comes to your financial future, you deserve reliable information. This channel offers you the financial education the school system never gave you. And no shallow advice like skip your morning coffee. Real, structured knowledge, the kind that used to cost $500 an hour. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't measured by your income. I've seen people earn $200,000 a year and teeter on the brink of bankruptcy at the slightest unexpected expense, and others with $45,000 quietly build a six-figure fortune. The system isn't broken. You've simply never been given the instruction manual. That's precisely the goal of this channel. If you're ready to stop just defending yourself financially and start building something real, subscribe and get new videos every week.